Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Making money through Max Bounty involves leveraging their affiliate marketing platform to promote various offers and campaigns from advertisers. Begin by signing up for Max Bounty and exploring their range of offers across different niches and industries. Select offers that align with your audience's interests, needs, or the niche you operate in, ensuring relevance and potential for conversions. Once you've chosen the offers you want to promote, create compelling and targeted marketing campaigns. Develop engaging content such as landing pages, ad creatives, blog posts, email newsletters, or social media ads that effectively promote the affiliate offers. Craft persuasive messages that resonate with your audience, highlighting the benefits or solutions offered by the products or services you're promoting. Utilize diverse marketing channels to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Implement various strategies, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media advertising. Pay-per-click PPC campaigns, content marketing, or influencer partnerships to reach and engage your audience effectively. Continuously monitor and analyze the performance of your campaigns through the Max Bounty platform. Track key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings generated from your affiliate links. Use this data to optimize your campaigns, identify high-performing offers, and refine your promotional strategies to maximize your earnings potential. Remember, success in affiliate marketing through Max Bounty requires a strategic approach, understanding your audience, creating compelling campaigns, and continuously optimizing your marketing efforts. Building strong relationships with your audience, providing valuable content, and adapting your strategies based on performance data are crucial steps toward increasing conversions and generating income through the platform.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.